In this video, we're going to be taking a look at what you actually get when you purchase any of our woodworking plans. Now, we have a very detailed build video that will walk you through whatever project you are looking at purchasing as far as our woodworking plans, but I wanted to show you what I think is one thing that's quite unique to all of our woodworking plans is that we provide you the finished SketchUp 3D model. Now, SketchUp is a very powerful program. It's a free program that you can open up the files that we provide you in your web browser, and you'll be able to look at the finished product. Now, in this case, we're looking at our kids' lemonade stand. And so you're able to turn, this is what we call orbit in SketchUp, and you're able to turn your model around. You can look at every single piece uh, of, of the finished product. And then also we have it broken down by layers. So in the case of our lemonade stand here, let's go ahead and turn off our roof and our actual top to the lemonade stand. We have some trim pieces that go around the side, and then we'll get rid of our roof supports, and we'll spin this model around because we have a shelf that goes in here. You see the shelf? So let's go ahead and turn off our shelf. And let's go ahead and turn off our sides as well. So here's our side layer. And so now you're able to really break it down bit by bit and really look at each individual section. So if I want to turn my sides off and get rid of my front, then I could just look at the side assembly there. So it's really a super useful tool. In my shop, I have a tablet that I have my 3D model of whatever it is I'm building. Of course, I do everything on the computer first before I go cut lumber. So I know exactly what I'm doing as far as how it's all going to go together, number one. But number two, I can refer to it for dimensions. So if there's anything I don't understand or I need a specific dimension for, now of course the plans, we give you detailed dimensions, just like a traditional woodworking plan. But really, even if you didn't want to use the plans and just focus on your 3D model, you could certainly do that. All right. And the other thing that's really nice about SketchUp is being able to pull dimensions. And so, for example, these roof panels right here, I don't know how, just looking at them, obviously we can't know how wide they are and how long they are. So we have a tape measure tool here in SketchUp, and we could just click on that outside point there and come down here to this outside point and look at there. They're exactly 20 inches. Now, of course, that dimension is given to you in the woodworking plans, but it's really nice to have a live finished product sitting in front of you that you can reference. And so this right here, 5.5 inches. So just those two functions, being able to pull dimensions and then being able to look at your finished model and how it all actually goes together. It's just super useful to have. And so all of our woodworking plans come with a finished 3D model that you can open up in SketchUp. Like I said, SketchUp is a free online software. Now the version I'm using is a desktop copy. This is an old version that SketchUp used to give away for free, which is the SketchUp Make 2017. So if you can find yourself a copy of that, then certainly you can open up all of our files with that version of the software too. But if not, like I said, it is freely available. There is an online version. You do have to be connected to the internet to use it, but it's super powerful. It's super useful. So that's what I wanted to show you that I think makes our woodworking plan stand out, is that you do get the build videos that will walk you through every single step of building this lemonade stand or any of our projects. We've built all these projects, so we know the ins and outs of where you might stumble, and then we provide you this finished SketchUp model that you could modify or be able to get all the dimensions if there's ever a question about something. Like, for example, this roof support here, how far off the edge do you go? Well, we could just, if you can't really understand it in the printed version, boom, there it is. it's 1.5 inches from the outside edge of this countertop. Or this point right here, how far off the front edge of that? Come all the way out, 4 inches. So you'll be able to get those dimensions really easily within your 3D model here. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, but that should give you a better idea of what to expect when you're getting your woodworking plans from us. You get a PDF file that you can print out, and then you also get your 3D model, and then we give you the build videos where we walk you step by step through every process of the build, so the whole process is much easier. Trust me, there's many build projects that I wish I had somebody to, well, even just figuring this one out, I didn't have somebody, so it took me probably a couple of days to build the first one, but then after that it's really just a matter of a couple hours because I got all the bugs worked out for you. So I think you'll find that those build videos will be super helpful for you. Thanks for watching.